what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna talk about personal brand and MVP. So yeah, y'all know my last video was fire, right? Hell yeah, told y'all. So you know why personal brand is more fire? Because you're betting on yourself. Like, using paid ads, putting your face on the ad, creating videos, offers, great offers, ad creatives, BSLs, putting closers inside of them to close on your program. The biggest incentive program on your favorite is to create like a group where events of investors come together, because they could partner with each other and bring deals to each other, bring funding to each other. That's where you really hacking for real, bro. Putting on no channels is fire as this, bro. Like, this is the only thing with less than that. I know I'm putting out on for real. Like, this shit is fire. So boom. People use AdWords. The same way I said I made before this. To give you funding anyway, now you're betting on yourself. This is all that, like credit and all that. Like, you get in the funding anyway. So yeah, that's fire. Or using this right here, paid ads and funnels. Like, you can run it up. Like, these are some examples. These are some credits too. Hold on. You want to learn about this? This kid's making like tens of millions online, bro. Shit is no joke. This online shit. You just have to have a great, super great offer. Good. Ready? Tap that. And what I said at the beginning of this video is fire. Look. This is what really is going on. This is what's really going on. Hold on. This is what's really, this right here, like, hold on. This is the one right here. It's really, this is a great line from right here. Right here, like, betting on yourself though. Here we're for all of them. This right here, and this right here is like, I made a video way before all this, but yeah, it's here. Like, it's these three sites. They're gonna help you, like, try to learn like OD from them. This is everything that's going on. You bet on yourself. Like, you probably run up tens of millions before you do this right here with the this right here. Before you do this right here. This is what they use to create relationships right here. Fiverr, they'll get you a list, right? Oh yeah, this right here. There you go. This right here. It's beautiful. They create your list. Do direct mail, and I'm calling you back. Coming across as an investor. Like I said, if you already got in that routine of boom, taking these right here and running them through this right here. That next day, they merchant, they give you a withdrawal from the banks and all that. Put an investment like this, you're going to be receiving a lot of this. You keep repeating that. If it's positive this, over 150% plus, live. Keep repeating that. Keep repeating that as many times as possible. This right here isn't healthy. This is off market. Most on market are trash. Off market is king. So it's the same thing. On a bunch of POS related, like food trucks, restaurants. They don't even have to be like the most profitable number one Inc. 500. Like it could literally be the solvent needing a turnaround or whatever. You just invested to get it out of debt or whatever crap, or like you just really using the POS. You don't care if it makes profit. But these are making profit. You get what I'm saying? They don't really make profit, but they have the POS. They already created the relationship. You can get it off market. But literally, it's the same thing. Just by taking it off them, they can do this to live off. There's many reasons. You just add it into the negotiation. Like, say I'll pay you more, 25% more. Just hold the whole thing. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. You want to get them saying that. What they gonna do after all that later? Is this similar but different? Because it's just like VI things you're gonna use, like the lines of credit. It's the same thing. Going on a Secretary of State, finding expired 5 years. Boom, direct mail. So now you get it could be distress businesses with POS. Who cares what the distress reason is? Like it can be management, profits, this, that, the third. Who cares? If it's still there and it still has a POS, you good. Cause those business lines of credit and credit cards, you gonna get liquidated by you. Who was like on top of the whole thing. It's for them, but doing business with each other, like liquidated. Yeah, you put it on this. I repeated that the last time, but this is betting on yourself. Direct mail campaigns and the CRM system. So you can get food trucks off the CRM system too, and all that for the POS thing, and for the expired corps for the lines of credit. Most of these, the same banks already shown all the deposits. They because they're approved for credit because they already have a relationship too. So it's all cool because one is helping you for the POS system, look at big cost. The other one helping you for the relationships with the lines of credits and all that. It's lit, bro. If you get them off market, even better. Now these you gotta get off market. You can get these on market too, look. But that's what I'm saying. You don't want nobody to know about it, because the more private, the more like higher approval success. Because you don't think bankers are coming here and like, thinking there's a motherfucker that's just gonna come here, get this just to apply, and probably never pay back, right? So they'll probably be like, you know what? Let's put a list here of these, and let's not approve them on purpose, because it's on market. So I'm saying you want to make it off market on purpose, so it's private. I approve it. You go do what you gotta do with it. Get funding off it. Put your own. Not everything is getting funding off it. One could serve a purpose for the others, and the others. So that's how I just said here, like, for real. You're not necessarily getting like millions of lines of credit from a food truck or all that with the POS system, but they help you liquidate put it into like things like this. But look, main thing is betting on yourself, having a great winning offer, and betting on yourself. Like, who hasn't seen this guy's ass? What did he do? Think about that. David Agobi, Breakthrough Advertising, Cyber Funnel here, where he had like schedule once, where it also gets put into teams, like sales team inside of it, customer service. So people are applying for that great offer he has. That's all the problem, right? His thing is so the solution. He already has like, say he has line of credit too to get the paid ad. So this is dope as shit. And inside the funnel, he has schedule once or Calendly or not. And so again on sales call, he's pitching his offer. So they're already showing interest. They put in an application showing they qualify. Like just pitching that shit right there. They already want it. So you can charge like $12,000 if you want. They already put an application, they qualify. So they had other great professions and all that. And he's pitching them like $12,000 for a great offer. This is how kids running up millions online right now. Like right now. It's very relevant to this right here in the platform we're going to. As opposed to like all these other more big dog strategies. Now that was big dog right here. I ain't gonna lie. Direct me how people get off my that's big dog. See this right here. So say you ran up 10, 20, like tens of millions, right? Of this, take it over here. With the team operations of this. And then run up 100 of them to be unlimited. Like you want to create like a firm and shit. Hire like Harvard people and shit. Putting y'all on, bro. This shit is golden, bro. All people stuck on is telling you something about this shit so they can sell you this. I told y'all the real shit. People actually like put y'all on. Like, why are you holding this from me and you keep charging me for everything? Fuck that. Like, all these same things could get repurposed. Like, you can do that. It can get repurposed. So why not put it out and then you probably repurpose it and probably sell me after? That's what I'm saying. But because everybody just wants to make money off you. That's why they don't care. Some do, I ain't gonna lie. But whatever, like who cares? You gotta do that shit. That's it, period. Yeah, that's it. The video's already at 10 minutes, 13 minutes. I got my thing out there. This shit was lit in the video too. Like, comment, subscribe.